In a trader's journey, every status tells a story. Today, we unlock the secrets of your FundedNext dashboard. Ready to level up your trading game? Before that, did you know that we are paying $1,000 extra to our traders? Yes, you heard it right. If you don't get paid within 24 hours, we will be adding $1,000 extra to your payout. That's our brand promise. Active accounts. An active account symbolizes your trading in action. It's where you're making moves, hitting targets, or strategizing your next big trade. Keep this status to stay in the trading game. Inactive accounts. Hit your profit target, your account shifts to inactive. It's like a breather after a successful trading cycle. Here you are reviewing your strategies before jumping back in. Breached account. Beware of breached. This is when rules are violated. You hit your drawdown limit and your account gets a red flag. But it's not the end. Reset your challenge and you're back in the game. Understanding these statuses is key in your trading journey with FundedNext. Keep trading, stay informed, and let's make those profits. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Happy trading!